And also, now I'll tell you how to reset passwords. You must reset password to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is default passwords. I import new passwords 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I just change it. Okay. Show you 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Working. These are new passwords. Suppose you have forgotten these passwords. You must reset passwords to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now let us reset the passwords. I tell you method. Take one screwdriver. This is small hole. Yes. Insert this. Insert 1. Insert 1, 2, 3. Hold it. Keep on. And take out the screwdriver. Password is reset successfully. Let us verify this process. Please 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Not working, right? Because we have just reset these passwords. Now passwords become default passwords 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us testify this. Please 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6. Yes, working. Default passwords reset process is successful. Thank you.